Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to download the Instagram app on your iPhone. So whether you are joining the gram for the first time or need a quick refresher, keep watching. So let's get started. First of all, find the App Store on your home screen. Now open it. Once you are in the App Store, tap the search bar at the bottom and type Instagram. You will see Instagram show up in the search results at the first option. Tap on it. To download the app, just tap the cloud button. After a few seconds, it will be downloaded. If you are downloading Instagram for the first time, there will be a get button instead of cloud icon, just like this in this app. Now the Instagram has downloaded, simply tap on to open and create your new account. If you don't know how to create an account in Instagram, you can check our videos on how to create an account on Instagram. You can also find your Instagram app on your home screen. And that's it. You are all set to start exploring Instagram and sharing your life with the world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.